Ever wondered how to prune your fruit trees effectively? Embarking on this journey will enlighten you about the significance of pruning and maintaining tree health and optimizing fruit yield. Stay tuned to find out the best way to prune your fruit trees. First things first, knowing when to prune is crucial. The best period is typically late winter or early spring when trees are dormant. However, this can vary depending on the fruit tree species. So mark your calendar and get ready for some pruning. Before you start, make sure you have the right tools. Essential for pruning fruit trees are pruning shears for smaller branches, loppers for medium-sized ones, and a pruning saw for those thicker limbs. With the right tools at hand, you're all set to start pruning. Now let's delve into the actual pruning process. It's not as daunting as it may seem if we break it down into manageable steps. First, turn your attention to any dead or diseased branches. These need to go immediately to prevent further damage to your tree. Next, examine your tree for overcrowded branches. By thinning these out, you'll improve air circulation and sunlight penetration, both vital for your tree's health. Remember, precision is key. Make clean cuts close to the branch collar to promote faster healing. And a word of caution, never remove more than a quarter of the tree at once. We don't want to shock our green friends. By following these steps, you'll have healthier and more productive fruit trees. And there you have it, a simple guide to pruning your fruit trees. Remember, the best time to prune is during the dormant season, and the right tools can make all the difference. With the right techniques, you can ensure the health and productivity of your trees. Pruning isn't just a chore, it's an investment in the future of your fruit trees. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful gardening tips. Happy pruning!